Alrighty, hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed, you're liking my video, and you're leaving me a comment. My name is Jasmine, I'm an all-cash budgeter, but today I will be cash stuffing my savings challenges. So these are not a necessary part of budgeting, but I enjoy doing them. I'm at a part in my journey where I'm able to do these. The money that stuffs these right now is coming from me selling off the inventory for my old clothing boutique. So if you were wondering, there's that. Also, you guys are so interested in my fragrances, so I promise to give you a new fragrance every video. The fragrance of today is I don't need a prince. I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. They just pretty much call it princess. It's by Killian, and it almost smells like marshmallows. Like if there was a sexy marshmallow, this would be it. This is a really good fragrance. Killian has some bomb fragrances. That's a new one in my collection, and I'm really enjoying it. So that's that. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so how is everybody's week going? I know it's the beginning of the week. It is currently Monday, and it has been busy for me. I am restructuring my business to be sure that everything is done proper legally. Make sure that I'm putting enough money aside for taxes. And I've never had a business that has done as well as this one. So a lot of that stuff, I'm just so scared. Like, I've been putting away probably more than I need to because I don't want to owe a bunch at the end of the year. So this week has been full of opening new business accounts, looking for a CPA, a possible attorney for my business. So, you know, it's just been one of those busy weeks. I know a lot of people see my business and assume, oh, she just makes binders and that's it. Girl, when you own a business, you are everything to your business. I'm customer service, I'm marketing, I'm order fulfillment, and it's just, you know, it can get stressful sometimes. Anyway, I don't mean to lay that on y'all. Let's get into the challenge trackers. So we're not able to add in August yet, but we will start with our $10 challenges for this week, and we'll be adding $40 to our $10 challenge as per usual. So y'all, I'm going to try to color these in like I have some sense today. And I think Honeycomb asked me about these, and these are just Sharpie markers, y'all. They aren't anything fancy. I was watching Budget with Brands. It looks like she has some really pretty markers. I need to ask her where she got them from. And she was coloring in all pretty and making me ashamed of myself. I was like, oh, Lord, let me do better. Okay, so there's my 4 10s. So we're going to add 4 10s here. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're going to be adding those. So our new total here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we now have $450 in our $10 savings challenge, which is really good. I'm super proud of that. So we will add that to our sheet here. All right, so next up, we'll be working on our Christmas challenge, and we are going to be adding $100 to this challenge. So I saw a few of you guys comment that you are making much progress on your Christmas challenges. I know I was watching, I think there's 2 of them. I think it's the Mom Life, and she actually, I'm grabbing my 100 here. She actually stopped doing her 100 envelope challenge and did an unstuffing, and I was just mesmerized. 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 300, 310, 301. So we now have $301 in our Christmas challenge. I mean, I watched every second of it. Like, Now I can't wait to unstuff mine because it was so interesting to watch hers. So our self-care challenge is getting $60. So we're just going to color in our dress here. Our $60 dress. And guys, these are available on my site. I think I still have a few left. They've sold out a few times and I've tried to make some more. 50 and 60. I didn't know that many of you all were interested in it. So I've been trying to stay on top of keeping a few up there so that y'all can join this challenge journey with me. All right, so our total is 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 160, 165, 170, 171, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we now have $175 in our self-care challenge. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. So, into our emergency fund challenge, we're moving to the next box here, and we are adding $20 today. So, y'all, what do y'all think about me creating a challenge for us to do together? Like, not a huge challenge, something small, like less than $10. Nothing more than like $10 on a challenge, but we come up with some way. I think I saw a video or something. And so we're adding, we're adding $20 here of where however many likes the video gets or whatever, we'll add a quarter for every like or something. So it's not a whole lot, and see how much we have at the end of the year. What do y'all think of something like that so that me and you guys can do it together? In emergency, we have 50, 100, 120, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. So we now have 180 in our emergency fund. I thought that would be really cool. But, you know, let me know what y'all think. I know I'm kind of talky today, but I've been in this house working by myself all day, so y'all are going to be my friends today. To our 52-week challenge, we are adding another 200. And y'all, went live for the first time on Instagram last night or the night before. And y'all, I'm such an introvert, so I was so nervous, but it went so well. Love my Instagram family. So we're gonna grab $200. Okay, we're gonna add it in here. So our new total: 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 100, 210. So $4,210 in our 52-week challenge. Really good. Okay, and so very last up, we have our fan favorite, our 100 envelope challenge. So we are done with this planner here. So I'm gonna sit it aside. And we are done with this binder for now, so I'm also going to move it to the side along with that Apple Pencil. Okay, our first number is 56. Y'all, I cannot believe I'm already at the end of this. It feels like just the other day I was starting and we're already at the end. And I know everybody's question is, what am I going to do with this money? I have no idea. Might be having to put it towards taxes, y'all. I have no clue. 68. I just like watching my savings account grow, if we're being honest. It's one of my favorite things to do is watch my savings account grow. So we are creeping up on 10,000 subscribers on this channel as well. What kind of giveaway would you guys like to see? Did I just do 68? I did just do 68. Oh, I marked it out already. I've done all different kinds of giveaways, but what would you be interested in winning if you were the winner of my giveaway? Like, should I just give away some money? Give away $100, or make a custom binder? What would you be interested in winning if you were the winner? Give me some ideas. 19 is this next number. 17, 18, 19. I don't know. I'm like, I don't want to be boring. I want to give you guys something you can use. Should I give away a savings challenge book? Let me know. But you have to be publicly subscribed to win my giveaways. And I prefer to pick people that were subscribed before I announce the giveaway. So keep that in mind if you're one of those people who are watching and aren't subscribed. So we have 73 in this envelope here. And I'm sorry if you can hear the TV in the back. We just discovered Lovecraft Country, so we've been obsessively watching that. So we now have 91. No, let's do 76 first. So 70, 75, 76. I don't know if y'all can tell my vibe is off. I am just in a funk today. Like, so 50, 70, 90, 91. Did I mess up somewhere, y'all? Running my mouth? I might have, and I know y'all gonna catch it. Like, girl, ooh, you forgot 5. Sure will. I love that. Y'all be on it. Because sometimes I really do be forgetting stuff, and I have to come back and check it. So let's see. We have... Oh, no. This was extra because I had to take out 800 instead of the 7-something I needed. So these 5s and 3 1s. So let's see if we can... What is that? $13? We can do another number. I was going to put it in my $5 and $1 savings challenge, but nope, forget that. We're going to pick us another number here. So we have the number 12. So we're just going to add $13 to the number 12. Because why not? We're trying to finish this thing up. Okay. So mark off the number 12 here. And that is it for our 100 envelope challenge. And look at this, y'all. This is literally all I have left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should I do all of them next week? Or should I do half and half? Should I do 5 and 5? Or do y'all want to see me finish it next week? Ooh, I'm going to have to hustle a little bit. No, these numbers aren't bad. I could swing it. Y'all leave a comment below and tell me if y'all want me to finish next week or to hold it out for 2 weeks. Whatever y'all say, I'll go with. So that's it for our 100 envelope challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me today. I know I was a little mouthy. I get that way sometimes. But yeah, make sure that you guys are publicly subscribed. Leave me a comment letting me know what you guys want for the 10K giveaway. And if you've made it this far, I want to give something away. So I'm going to give away one of these bound binders to one of you all today who are subscribed to my channel, who leave a comment and answer this question. On my very first cash stuffing, how much money did I put into my emergency fund? And if I didn't have one, come back and tell me I didn't have one because I'm not sure. So the first person to answer that question, I will heart your comment and direct you to my Instagram. And I will send you one of these for free. Or if you prefer it digitally, I can send you that as well. Okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.